And the last participant for today. The last participant for today is Vlad, Tokinomo in-store marketing robots. So Vlad is going to tell us more about new marketing opportunity.
Hi everybody, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to start with a video. I hope the sound is playing.
Meet the in-store marketing robots. Wow. Tokinomo opens a new era of shopper engagement, a game changer that makes your product stand out in store. So say hello Tokinomo, goodbye outdated invisible cardboard displays. Imagine your product coming to life, moving and talking with the shoppers.
Okay, I hope you guys could hear that.
Yes,
hi everybody. My name is Vlad Ionescu. I'm the CMO and co-founder at Tokinomo. Before Tokinomo, I was employee number 11 at UiPath, which is now a $35 billion company that will IPO in the US this month.
And having exclusivity on that.
Tokinomo is a robotic solution for consumer goods or FMCG products you have in supermarkets. Think about the supermarket shelves. They have been the same for the last century, and Tokinomo makes the product the main actor on supermarket shelves. When shoppers pass by, the sensor activates through movement, speech, and light, and it has a great stopping power. It interacts with the shoppers and it lifts sales on average by 200% during an in-store marketing campaign. The problem we are solving is about differentiating at the shelf, brand activations, and increasing sales without reducing the price and eroding brand equity. Our IoT robots have internet connectivity, so you can change the settings in real time for all the robots in a campaign and provide data about the foot traffic and device activations. So this was about the product. I hope you get what we do. Now a little bit about the traction. We started in 2020 with 5 partners, and now we have partners in more than 30 countries. This deck is a bit outdated. We are onboarding partners almost every week. These partners are investing and paying an yearly subscription license fee to get our devices and implement in-store marketing campaigns for the end customers. We have both a hardware as a service model and a consumption-based model. We have deployed more than 1,500 robots, and we are building the next batch of 500 robots as we speak. We are at 50K euros in monthly recurring revenue and another 50K per month, depending on the campaigns. This is based on inbound demand. We have only one person in the sales department and a lot of demand from all over the world. Why? The short answer is that it is a huge market and a big problem. We estimate about $20 billion in marketing spending globally in in-store grocery advertising and promotions. Our robots are used for trialing and sampling campaigns as well. And let me give you a few examples in our own customers' words or posts, right? This is, can you see my screen? I'm sharing LinkedIn now.
Yes.
Okay, this is a new Carrefour store opened in the United Emirates featuring Tokinomo. The post is 1 month ago. You can see
start your day with
a post from the CEO of this retail chain. It has 35,000 views, so great engagement, views, comments, likes on LinkedIn. This is another one, Starbucks in Saudi Arabia, same, the same great engagement on their LinkedIn. This is 3 weeks ago, Henkel in France. They used Tokinomo to promote their laundry detergent. This is Group Lactalis 2 months ago, promoting their President brand. So in France. And the last one, this is from 2 days ago, Ferrero France, promoting their Kind product. So, the brand managers become really superstar in their companies when they post this. Their posts have huge engagement. You can see here 12,000 views, 420 likes, and a lot of comments. basically what this industry was doing, we're disrupting it with a new form of in-store marketing that is much more efficient than what they were doing before. So thank you very much, and looking forward for your questions.
Thank you very much, Vlad. Any questions?
Hey, thank you so much for this unique way of presentation. I must congratulate you. You're doing really good. It's pretty unique, and yeah, and it's helping attracting your customers to buy in. That's a fantastic idea. But while you're achieving such nice goals, what are the difficulties that you've been facing on the other side of the business?
What do you mean?
Like, is there any difficulty, any challenges that you have been facing?
Yeah, we have a couple of challenges. First, this is a hardware business, and as we all know, hardware is hard. We have had challenges with the production of the robots and with the cash flow. We are now cash flow positive because we managed to keep our costs very low. The other challenge is, of course, with COVID and the lockdowns and the supermarkets being closed and people not, and the brands are a bit reluctant to invest in such a troubled environment.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Do you have an idea to put AI inside so you can talk to the product?
Yes, this is the current version of the product. We are thinking about conversational AI in the future. We'll also improve the camera and the data that we are getting. So we already built an AI model to interpret images. The images will be stored and processed locally. So it's going to be fully GDPR and privacy compliant. And we're going to provide data about the demographics, about the age, the gender, the mood of the shoppers. This will be in the next iteration product. And we're building for this industry other products as well. So our roadmap is pretty interesting.
It will be real fun in the future to talk to Coca-Cola, to Irons, to I don't know what else.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I can share my screen. Yeah, I mean, these are the brands we already work with, right? I'm not sure if that was on my screen.
In the future, we will be able to talk to a chicken and say, if I eat you, how will you make me feel? And chicken will say, oh, please eat me.
Yeah, or maybe we'll have only plant-based products.
Do you have any metrics supporting how much the sales increases and any results of it? Numbers?
Yeah, we're adding about 5,000 euros in monthly recurring revenue because we recognize the revenue split in 12 months. So we basically grew from around 10.
Not your revenues. I'm asking about the campaigns, how successful the campaigns, how you measure them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, for the end customers. Right. So we measured them based on the sales in the previous period compared to the sales in the campaign, the sell in and sell out data. And then we also measure stores in which we do have Tokinomo campaigns with stores that don't have Tokinomo campaigns and compare the lift in sales. And on average, it's around 200%. And this is our promise, right, for the brands. Usually the brands achieve 20%. It's considered a good sales lift with the current in-store marketing promotions, the traditional marketing or advertising they do in store. And with our robots, they do 10 times as much, right? 200% increase. But it differs a lot between the categories. If it's beer, if it's food, non-food, and if it's in dairy category, in spirits, but we have this data, and we have a deck through which I think some data is in this deck as well here.
Okay.
Right? The alcohol beverages, the dairies, the other categories, the average sales lift.
Thank you very much. I'm afraid time is up.